Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Tudo Frank. We are still learning payroll management, and in the last video, we were able to take it up to this level where we calculated the gross income, the tax, and the deduction. We insert a lot of values. Then, before we move further, I would like to arrange my spreadsheet to look a little bit better. So I'll just measure and center this. I can increase the font a little, then I can as well make it to be in a good font type, maybe Arial black. The same thing can be done to this column where I'll just mesh and center, and then I can give it maybe red color. Alright, for now. Then this other side, I can click from year to year and mesh, and then I'll call this I'll mesh this to only, and I call this employee detail. You can actually label this to make it look professional. Then you come here, and all of this I can call this income. Then I can call this ones. I can call this one deduction. Then I can call this total. Then right here I can call this bank detail, of course. Bank details. Alright, so I like this, and also give it a border, of course, to look nice. Then I will come back to this beautification, but let me just continue with the calculation. So for the net pay, it's quite simple. I'll just come here and I say, okay, net pay equals to gross pay minus the tax, and then minus other deduction. So we just say equal to, and then I put here equal to this address minus this minus this. Then I press enter. So I have my net pay here, and I drag it using the autofill. I have the answers correctly. Alright, don't forget you can as well bring in commas, and maybe any other thing. I will put commas. Yeah, now you see the commas are here, and you can as well reduce your decimal place to 0, or you increase your decimal place. Of course, you can increase your decimal place. So I will just touch each of this to make sure the data inside enters well. Then the next is the bank. I can just say most of my employees collect salary over Access Bank. So I can just say Access, and I just click here and drag down. Then account details, account number, you can just type in numbers there. I just type these numbers and drag it down. Might not be complete account number, is not a problem. Then down here you can have from here you can mesh this place, and then you call this cell total. I can as well make it bold, of course, and move it to this other side. Then I can highlight everything from here down to total, and then I will have borders around it where I can put total of each of these calculations down. So I can just come over here and I said auto sum, then I press enter. From there I have total of the basic salary spent. I have total of the allowances, the deduction, the tax, and everything spent. So that in case I want to know how much was taken as tax for the month, I can as well check it down here and understand how much was given as bonus. You can see it here. How much was given as any of these allowances. You can see as it is on the screen. So this is how we've been able to get our payroll prepared and formatted. All right. Remember, you can bring in the months of the payroll as well as the pay period. You can call it pay period, pay, or the months of the payroll. You can as well bring in painting. Most times painting is nice, but when you overdo, when you overpaint, it becomes a problem. It becomes a distraction, of course. So if you want to paint, you have to know how you paint. You can as well paint. Of course, I would like to change the text color to white. Increase the font a little. This can be increased. All right. Then I can as well select, okay, I can allow this side to be like that. Then where I have information, or maybe where I have this other one, I can make it a little bit of another color. Can do all of this just to make your payroll spreadsheet looks different. The way you have the income value, you can as well make it maybe green, and then where you have your deductible values can go on red to identify your deduction. Not really red, but maybe something of this nature. Your net pay, you can draw emphasis on your net pay, of course, by making it look something like this. Then your totals down here can also have a different color to look better, maybe yellow or whatever color you want to give to it. All right, I think we've been able to get everything calculated. If there's anything I miss, you come up to the group, you let me hear your own points, tell us what can be done or how your own company calculate them. But this is a simple way of calculating payroll in Microsoft Excel. So in the next video, we will move down to the next topic, which is how we can how we can prepare a payslip for our company. Thank you very much, and God bless you. I am Tudo Frank. I hope you've been able to learn something wonderful today. The full package training, the advertisement is going on the platform. Any advertisement you see on the platform is real. Don't do like what some people used to do. When the training is free, they say that one is real. But when money is being asked to pay, when you are asked to pay money, you say that one is not real. He is asking us for money. When it is free, you say it's genuine, let's join. You even invite your friends to come. But when they say pay money and learn more of this, you now said it is not real. It is fake. It didn't be like saying a scam. I wonder, some people don't need to call me on video call before joining free class. But when money is involved, they will call you on video call and see your face, ask you 300 questions, even the ones they already know. They ask you again and again and again before they join the full package training. The point is, whenever you see me do 1 day free training or 2 days free training, I'm doing it in order to prove to you that all the advert I place on social media are real. So by the time you attend my free training, you are expected to join the full package training. Don't wait until you're forced to do that. And don't wait to be removed from the group before you can call me. Note that the registration that is ongoing will end by tomorrow. And by tomorrow evening, I'm starting the full package training. So if you haven't paid you should try and register and be part of the full package training. If not, you will be removed from the platform. Thank you very much and God bless you. I am To the Frank.